Sometimes heart failure can be quite sneaky, and you might not have noticed specifically shortness of breath, but you start wheezing. Wheeze is not always asthma. Sometimes this is what we call cardiac asthma. It's heart-based, not lung-based, and it reflects a bit of fluid being in the lungs and that triggering a wheeze rather than you noticing something else like shortness of breath on exertion. So I had a patient today just like that. He's normally doesn't suffer fluid retention in his legs, doesn't particularly complain of shortness of breath, but when I inquired, two things he had. One was a bit of wheezing that he just used an asthma buffer for, but may not actually be lungs. And the second thing was dry cough. And if you notice these things, have your doctor check it out because it is not always a lung problem.